What's a channel for you and me? The answer's DD.
Maguzi's coming right back. You're watching Kevin and his best four-legged friend, Crypto the Super Dog. Next, the magical battle between fairies and witches continues on Winx Club. Later, the case is always solved on Totally Spies.
Andy's?
Oh, we're going to Andy's.
When do you go to Andy's?
Room, please.
Ta-da!
Kaboom.
Imaginext turns on the adventure. Do you dare to enter the Imaginext Dragon World Fortress? You can turn the night to open the gates, find the fortress secrets, or release the hidden dragon. Whoa! And dispose of unwanted guests.
Oh no!
Imaginext turns on the adventure.
Look out!
I could go for a little nighttime snack. Imaginext Dragon World Fortress comes as you see here. Other dragons and accessories sold separately. Imaginext turns on the adventures. It's the Sky Racers Daredevil Racing Team. And the Sky Racers carrier is where it all happens. You can turn the pilots to raise the elevator and rotate the runway. Sky Racers Twister, Tornado Prop, Tiger Shark, and Twin Eagle. Can you launch the buoys, avoid the flares, then race to the finish line? Imaginext turns on the adventure.
Nice flying, Ace.
Imaginext Sky Racers carrier comes as shown. Other planes sold separately.
Our roll burger was only 7 ounces, but now it's 8 with brioche bun and pickles. Comes with its own steak knife, it's really that big. Your best competition is always yourself. Chili's is back, baby, back, baby, back. Oh baby, Chili's is back, baby, back, baby, back.
Lisa Frank makes the coolest stickers. I should know, because I have most of them. See, me and Jenny, who's like my absolute best friend ever. We went to the store, and there's all this cool stuff like Bead Mania, and paint prints, and party favors, and stationery, and stickers. Of course, stickers. And I told Jenny, no way, I can't pick. And Jenny says, hey, we don't have to buy everything now, because Lisa Frank comes out with cool new stuff all the time. It's impossible to keep up with, but it's fun to try. Lisa Frank, you gotta have it.
Hey everybody, Corey here, coming at you during the Kids' Choice Awards. And right now, I've got something epic to show you. There's 2 things you need to know about me. I love cars and I love stunts. And that's why I love Hot Wheels. So I built an epic Hot Wheels track builder stunt. I spent a lot of time trying different things, just like you do at home with your Hot Wheels. And thanks to your votes, we've got an epic jump. That takes this track to the next level. But first up, you need 4 wheels. And I know just the car for this epic stunt. And now, let's do this. Here we go. Wow, really caught some air there. Check out that jump. That was awesome. Thanks to Hot Wheels for this epic stunt. Coming up soon, there's more sweet stuff at KCA's. And if you can't get enough Hot Wheels tricks and stunts, you can hit up youtube.com/Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels.
Whoa! Fruit to go. The name says it all. The delicious fruit snack you can take anywhere.
Plus, Fruit to Go now has a groovy new shape that makes snacking fun. It's pullable, portable, and it's made with 100% fruit. You can get into the groove with Fruit to Go.
Wireless for $20 a month. That's not right.
It's right, all right. Not chunky style milk? That's not right.
I choose chunky style milk because it has the wholesome chunks growing kids need, unlike smooth style milk.
Hey guys, save some chunks for me.
Oh, that's not right.
Kind of like your wireless bill. Mint Mobile is easy, online, and just $20 a month. Right now, buy 1 month and get 2 months free at mintmobile.com.
At Raising Cane's, we've always operated with the highest standards of food safety, cleanliness, and health. And recently, we've taken even greater measures. During stay-at-home mandates, you are allowed to go through our drive-thrus, as we are considered an essential business, safely serving our customers while practicing proper social distancing. Raising Cane's is open, and we're here to serve you our hot and fresh chicken finger meals through our drive-thru. Thank you for your continued trust in us. Go to raisingcanes.com for details or call your local Cane's. One love.
At TrueMark Financial, we're here for you, offering loan options to meet your needs, including home loans for making big projects happen, credit cards for everyday purchases, auto loans to help you plan for the road ahead and keep you in the driver's seat, and mortgages to make home buying dreams a reality. TrueMark Financial offers competitive rates and terms so you can achieve more. TrueMark Financial. Member banking is better banking.
All right, let's see what you came up with.
Pop-Tarts Mini Crisps, the frosted crispy crunch that pops some joy into your day. Now a new brown sugar cinnamon. Pop-Tarts Mini Crisps, joy-licious.
The one thing I learned from Disney's Descendants is that it's all about being true to yourself. So when it comes to your style, own it. It's all about expressing the real you.
You can mix and match to show your own style with the Descendants Design Collection. Only at
Happy Mother's Day.
Thanks, baby.
Guess what it is?
Andy's!
Yeah, Andy's.
Oh, we're going to Andy's.
Boy, did I raise you right. Mother's Day and Andy's. You can't go wrong.
Guys, I'm trying to watch the show here. Magoozy's coming right back.
I don't know what the big deal is. TV's boring.
It's all the same.
This show about rainbows has been on
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
No homework. No chores. Titans, go! No bad guys allowed. Game over. The Titans are at it again. And they're back with an all-new season. Teen Titans. New episodes Saturdays at 8 p.m. The kids are all right. Only to mommy.
Where is it?